provide everything you need, and I like your smile and I wanna see you cry. Got some questions that I gotta ask, and I hope you can come up with the answers, baby.
Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me? Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me?
If I fell off tomorrow, would you still love me? If I didn't smell so good, would you still hug me? If I got locked up and sentenced to a quarter century, could I count on you to be there to support me mentally? If I went back to a hoopty for my bands, would you poof and disappear like some of my friends? If I was hit and I was hurt, would you be by my side? If it was time to put in work, would you be down to ride? I get out and kill a nigga, cap, chill and drive. I'm asking questions to find out how you feel inside. If I ain't rap cause I flip burgers at Burger King, would you be ashamed to tell your friends you feeling me? In the bed, if I use my tongue, would you like that? If I wrote you a love letter, would you write back? Now we can have a little drink, you know, a nightcap. And we can go do what you like, I know you like that.
Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me? Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me?
Now would you leave me if your father found out I was thugging? Do you believe me when I tell you, you the one I'm loving? Are you mad cause I'm asking you 21 questions? Are you my soulmate? Cause if so, girl, you're a blessing. Do you trust me enough to tell me your dreams? I'm staring at you trying to figure how you got them jeans. If I was down, would you say things to make you smile? I treat you how you wanna be treated, just teach me how. If I was with some other chick that someone happened to see, and when you asked me about it, I said it wasn't me, would you believe me or believe me? How deep is our bond if that's all it takes for you to be gone? We only humans, girl, we make mistakes. To make it up, I do whatever it takes. I love you like a fat kid love cake. You know my style, I say anything to make you smile.
Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me? Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me in a bed? Could you love me on the bus? I'll ask 21 questions, and they all about us.
I put my feelings on safety, so I don't go shooting where your heart be. Cause you take the bullet trying to save me, then I'm left to deal with making you bleed. And that's a whole lot of love, ain't trying to waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it. But I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping, I'm thinking skipping, that's how I control this feeling you keep giving, you keep moving it, ooh, oh. It's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know your love is big enough, made me trip on you. Yeah, it's big enough, got me tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad, for tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad, for tripping on you. Tripping on you. I'm cool when I ain't waiting, but I act a fool when I don't get it. And I say these bruising just to save this, but I tripped on your love, now I'm addicted. And that's a whole lot of love, ain't tryna waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it. But I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping, I've been sipping, that's how I control this feeling you keep giving, you keep moving it, ooh, oh. It's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know your love is big enough, make me trip on you. Yeah, it's big enough, got me tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad, for tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad, for tripping on you. Tripping on you. That is some kind of love, baby. Drip, drip. That is the type of love, baby. Tripping on you. It's big enough, baby. Drip, drip.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should've never let you in, 'cause you got me face down. And don't take this personal. You're the worst, you know what you've done to me. And although it hurts, I know I just can't keep running away. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. Tell me what you say now, tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse than you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you, 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 but I want you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I lost and hope. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. 'Cause I usually do stick to the business, but you came out the blue, and then you just flipped it. Goddamn, baby, my mind's blown. Be forgetting you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient and kind of shit. This is where we could build through different types of shit. You was really the realest, wouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way. Funny how everything changed once you got all that you wanted. Nothing was ever the same.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Janota wigs, and this is my very first time ever working with Janota. I have never heard of them before, so you guys always know how that can be when you're working with like a brand new company. You don't really know what you're gonna get, but I will say that today's unit is actually a winner. It is definitely a W, and I'm gonna tell you guys all about it. And this is in a 24-inch, I wanna say. And the color is a natural color, but it's definitely on the darker side. So if you like one of those like dark jet black type of units, you're really gonna like this unit. You can definitely dye this hair, but if you don't want to, you don't have to, and you can still get like that nice jet black type of look. Now, as far as the lace on this unit, I'm not really sure what kind of lace this is, but I will say that I do actually enjoy the lace on this unit, which is why I didn't add any baby hairs in today's look. I didn't really do much to my edges other than just melt it with the elastic band, and this is the results that I got, you guys. Very, very natural looking results, even like down here, even here, like in the front section. It is just very, very natural. And I really like the lace in this unit. Same thing on this side. If you pull the hair back, you don't necessarily have to add baby hairs if you don't want to. And this is the look that you will get. So I really do like the lace in this unit, and I like how natural this unit looks. The other thing that I really enjoyed about this unit was how silky straight I was able to get this hair. This hair is like butter, you guys. It is so smooth, so silky, and it's just perfect. I don't have any complaints with it. There aren't a bunch of flyaways with this hair. It's just some beautiful straight hair, and I think a lot of you guys are really going to be interested in this one. The only con that I'm experiencing with this unit would be the density. If you are to order this unit, I would definitely go up in the density. I would say right now this is definitely giving like 130% density to like 150% density. It's definitely on the thinner side, but if you want something that's a little bit more full, I would highly suggest opting for like 180% density to 200% density. The only thing is when you get to 200% density, I feel like that's when like the hairline will get a little bit thicker and you would have to pluck a whole lot more. So just be mindful of that when you are going up in density. This is all of the hair that you receive with this unit. So I like to be very transparent about things like that. That way when you order this unit, you're not like thrown off like, girl, this unit is thin. I definitely want to make sure that I let you guys know ahead of time that the unit is definitely on the thinner side. But the quality of this hair is so amazing that I don't personally mind the fact that it's thin because the hair is so good. When you get straight hair, this is exactly the kind of results that you want to receive. Silky smooth hair, very flowy and wavy. There's no stiffness anywhere whatsoever. It definitely flows beautifully. So if you were to like, move your hair to the back. So we love when the hair has like flow to it. It's not like super stiff. It's not frizzy. There aren't a bunch of flyaways. Now I will say there were some flyaways. I'm not gonna say like there weren't any. There were some in the top half here. The best way to get rid of your flyaways would be with some kind of like foaming mousse. Foaming mousse is the best way to go because I feel like when you use hairspray, it just makes your hair like really hard. The foaming mousse will give you a softer finish than if you were to use like hairspray. The hairspray is definitely going to give you more of a crunchy, hard finish, and we don't want that. And also hairspray tends to like get white and flaky, so that's another issue that you will experience if you do use hairspray. I suggest using the Lotta Body foaming mousse, or you can use any foaming mousse that you like. One pump will be just fine, and just put that on the top part of your hair. Then you can use your blow dryer to make sure it's nice, dry, and secure. But this is the results that I got. Coming up closer, you guys can definitely see that there aren't any flyaways whatsoever with this unit. It's just a really good install. It's nice, flat, and natural. Like I said, the lace melted perfectly. It's giving you a very, like, I would say this unit is so natural, and I just really like that. Even the density on this unit, even though I want it to be thicker, it's definitely on the natural side. It's not giving too thick. So I do actually like that about the unit. As far as like straight hair is concerned, this is definitely up there as far as the quality. I really like the quality of this hair. And for this to be my first time working with them, I will have to say I'm definitely impressed. And I would actually like to see more of their hair collection. I would like to see more of what they have to offer. And usually how I know a company has good quality hair is by trying out their straight hair. Usually when a company has really good quality straight hair, the rest of their hair selection usually follows up after that. So that is something that I definitely do. So if you ever want to try out a new company, try out their straight hair. If their straight hair is average or just okay, chances are the rest of their hair is just average and just okay. Usually when I get like some really good quality curly hair, some companies do specialize in just curly hair, and their straight hair can be average. I will say that this is one of those companies that I think will not disappoint whatsoever because hello, like it's just so bomb, and I just love how silky straight this unit is. Like I just can't get over that. I can't get over the fact that there's no tangling, no shedding, and I really like how smooth this hair is. And honestly, you guys, other than the density, I have no complaints with this unit whatsoever. The elastic band that they put in here is a lifesaver. It's definitely going to give you more of a snug fit, so you don't have to worry about your unit feeling all loose. But that's also a plus because you don't have to use any got2b gel, hairspray, lace front glue. You don't have to use any of that with the unit like this because they did put the extra elastic band in there. And that elastic band is sewn inside of the unit, so it's not like one of the ones that like clip in and clip off. you do have to actually cut that out if you don't want to use that. But honestly, it doesn't bother me. It's very comfortable. I do feel like I have a more snug fit on my unit, because sometimes with certain units, it gets a little bulky, you know, because I have to crisscross the straps. I'm one of those girls who has a very petite head. So a lot of the times I end up having a lot of space, a lot of extra space, but I will say that this is a very good fit. I love the fit of this unit because of the elastic band that they put in there. So that's definitely something that I know a lot of people love. Some people really like to have those elastic bands in. But yeah, you guys, so this is officially the finished look. I also really like the parting space on this unit. They give you a decent amount of parting space. You get a very, very deep parting space, by the way, as you guys can probably see. Very, very deep parting space. So you can actually do quite a bit with this unit. Outfit is from Shein. I get all of my stuff from Shein, y'all. Y'all always be asking me where I get my clothes from. Shein. That's where I get all of my stuff from. So if you guys are interested in this dress, definitely check out Shein. They should still have it on there. And once again, here's an up close look at the hair. This hair is just fire, y'all. Like, I don't even, like, hello? Are we seeing the same hair? Because, I mean, it's just giving fire. It's giving, like, no brainer. It's giving add to carts. All in all, out of a 5-star rating, I would give this hair a 4.5-star rating. The only reason why I wouldn't give it a 5-star rating is because of the density. We just need this unit to be a little bit thicker, and that would really help this unit out a whole lot. But all in all, I really do like this unit. I mean, you guys can kind of tell just by looking at it. I don't even feel like I had to do all this talking. I feel like with you guys just seeing how beautifully straight this hair is, you know, how tangle free it is, how it doesn't shed all over the place. Like, I think this one is a no-brainer, and I'm sure a lot of you guys want to get your hands on it. So if you do, make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, go ahead and drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Genoda Wigs, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this beautiful unit. And of course, I have to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there for showing me so much love and support. I really do appreciate all of you guys. I'm so glad that you guys have been enjoying my content lately. So if you want to stay in touch, make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure you have that post notification bell turned on so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. And I hope to see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.